to this, which is the base. Let's have something coming edge out. Okay, this is cool. Yeah, this is good. A little bit more. I'm gonna cut another one. And then this one is too short. Yeah, make it longer. That's good. Flip it over. Take it up, gently. Not sure they touch each other. Work on the curves. Smoothen this. Okay. And this also. That's good. Looking good. In the fourth corner. Smooth. Smooth this side too. Tuck this in here and press it properly. Okay. Want to have a smooth feel. As much as possible, as smooth as it is. Okay, square box. Our box is not too free. Square box. It's really cute. Yeah. Very cute. Very cute. I am cute. Cutie. So we see. These are rigid boxes. So next one is for us to the beautiful covers. Upper lining. That's next.